Hey, this is Rohan with Cool Mojito. Cool Mojito is heavily focused on helping our customers to generate more traffic, more likes, more leads, and of course more revenue for your business. Today what we're going to focus on is showing you how to use Cool Mojito and PayPal to generate more revenue for your business. If you have a business, of course, we'd assume that at some point you don't like to sell your products and services on Facebook with over 1 billion users today. Then that just makes sense to want to do. You can actually use Cool Mojito and PayPal to collect payments using credit cards, debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, basically any kind of payment method in any currency. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that today. I'm going to illustrate using the page from Easy CJS. And these guys, they're a real estate luxury rental company right outside Barcelona, Spain. But we kind of thought it would be a cool illustration to show you that whether it's t-shirts or laptops or books or diet pills or sunglasses, doesn't really matter what you want to sell. If you're a service company that wants to sell consulting services, legal services, you can really easily sell these things directly on Facebook using Cool Mojito. So let me go through the 4 steps, or not the 4 steps, really the 4 different approaches you can use. We have right here where we have our e-commerce apps that allows you to drag any of these apps onto the page, and you can go ahead and just fill in some information, and that's all you need to do to add e-commerce to your page. It literally takes a few seconds to do that. So let's say you have just one product or service. The app that you want to use most likely will be this one. It's called the Store with Cart app. Once you drag this app onto your page, you'll get a pop-up just like this, and it allows you to upload an image for your product, a product name, product description, currency. You have like literally every currency in the known world that you can pick from: euros, dollars, francs, anything that you want to do. You can put your price, and of course your PayPal ID. By the way, this is just a demo PayPal ID, so don't try to use that. It's just for illustration. So once you've filled in that information, then this is the way that the information will look on your page. So that's one approach to do that. You can put as many of these on your page, not just one, so it's really up to you. It's more of the way that you want to design and illustrate your products and services. But let's say you want to have multiple items across the page horizontally. Then what you'd want to do is use the Store Catalog app. You just go ahead and drag it onto the page, and once you drag it onto the page, you have similar pop-up that allows you to enter information about the product. If you want to edit information, you can just click in place. You may change your title here. You can go ahead and change your pricing. You can go ahead and make any kind of changes that you want. Here you can highlight and bold and underline with a little toolbar here. So you have full design control of this. If you want to make the image larger or smaller, of course you have control of that as well. So this is the way that you'd want to put multiple products across across the page with this particular app. It's a good way to go ahead and do that. Of course, you can have as many of these apps on the page. So you can have 3 here, another 3 below, another 3, and so forth and so forth. So you can put an unlimited amount of products or services directly on your fan page. But sometimes you just want to have a button. You just want to say, I want to use the entire page, especially for your services. I want to use the entire page and do my full pitch, right? And then at the end of this pitch, or somewhere in the middle, let me go ahead and drop a PayPal button right there. So one way you could do that is just go ahead and drag this particular button app right here anywhere on the page that you want to. If I were to click edit here, I'll see the information that I entered in. It's the same information as you would use for any of the other e-commerce apps. You want your product name and currency and amount and that kind of stuff. So these are the main e-commerce apps that you'd want to use. But you know what? PayPal has so many more cool stuff, and we just figured, well, let's create an easy way for our customers to do that. So let's say you want to collect donations. You want to have a buy now button. You want to do subscription payments, or receive subscription payments rather, gift certificates, automatic billing. These are all cool things you can do directly on your fan page using Cool Mojito. The way that you would do that, you would actually go here where we have multimedia apps, and you would drag the HTML app directly onto your page. Okay, once you do that, you get a little pop-up, okay? And this pop-up is just a box. It's just an edit box, really, for you to put your code in. You can put any kind of HTML code in here, but you don't have to code. Don't be afraid when I say code, because PayPal does all the work for you. All you have to do is log into your PayPal account, and PayPal allows you to go ahead and create a button from within your PayPal account, and then to say generate code, and you just click a button and it just creates this code for you, just like that. Whether it's a donate button or a buy now button, it's really the same process. Once PayPal generates that code for you, you copy the code, you paste it into this little box, and you get a button like this. So so PayPal give you all different kinds of button options: buy now, donate, and shopping cart, and so forth. You can now use those buttons on your page, any of your Cool Mojito pages, and put it directly on your fan page. So these are the main 4 ways that you'll be able to use to create e-commerce on your shopping cart, and allows you to sell virtually anything that you want directly on your Facebook page using Cool Mojito with our PayPal integration. Thanks. Have a great day.